Hello, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Fact Mouse. Every time you learn a new fact, your brain changes. That changes is called neuroplasticity. So let's create the process of neuroplasticity on our head. Let's begin with some health facts first, so that could help you in real life. Fact number 1. 6 food that keep you hydrated. Tomato, watermelon, strawberry, cucumber, and zucchini. Fact number 2. Exercising before breakfast can burn twice as much fat. So don't forget to do some exercise before your breakfast. Fact number 3. Want to fall asleep faster? Take a hot nap. A drop in your body temperature helps to make you feel snoozy. Fact number 4. An irregular bedtime is linked with higher body weight and greater risk of depression. So kindly please sleep on time. Fact number 5. On average, people who get out of bed by 7 a.m. perform better at work, tend to be happier, less stressed, and thinner. So set a time and sleep on time. Fact number 6. Regular afternoon naps recharge your brain, boost cognitive function, and can lower your risk of dementia. So have some naps on your afternoons. Fact number 7. If you drink enough water in the morning, you will feel happier, sharper, and more energetic throughout the day. Fact number 8. Putting granule sugar on a wound will greatly reduce the pain and speed up the healing process. Don't worry, I have done some researches about this. You can try if the wound is small. Fact number 9. Disturbing a person while they are sleeping can increase their risk of a permanent brain damage. So kindly please don't disturb a sleeping person. Fact number 10. Having at least one lazy day per week can reduce stress, high blood pressure, and the chances of having a heart attack. If you don't want these problems, then don't forget to take a lazy day. Fact number 11. Playing music regularly will physically alter your brain structure. So keep on listening to the music. Fact number 12. Mentally talking to yourself during tasks is actually a great way to keep yourself focused. So talk to yourself. Alright, let's talk some Coca-Cola facts. Fact number 1. Only 2 countries in the world are not allowed to sell Coca-Cola officially. The first one is North Korea and the second country is Cuba. Fact number 2. Coca-Cola makes so many different beverages that if you were to drink one each day, it would take you more than a year to try them all. Fact number 3. Coca-Cola never patented their secret formula because doing so would require them to disclose the ingredients publicly. Clever move, huh? Okay. What about a few movie facts? Fact number 1. Jurassic Park, Lion King, and The Shawshank Redemption were all in theaters at the same time in October of 1994, and all was a big time box office hits. Fact number 2. Jackie Chan's father was a spy and mother was a drug dealer. They met through an arrest. What a coincidence, right? Fact number 3. The most profitable film of all time is Paranormal Activity. scored a return on investment of 19,758%. Fact number 4. Oscar winners used to be announced before the ceremony. So in that fact, some of them continue act on the hall too. Let's seek some facts about human mind. Fact number 1. The reason you wake up before you die in your dream is because the brain doesn't know what comes after death. Fact number 2. The most common emotion experienced in dreams is anxiety. I hope you may too experience a bit too. Fact number 3. If you announce your goals to others, you are less likely to make them happen, just because you lose your motivation. Fact number 4. Some people are actually afraid of being happy because they think something tragic is going to happen soon. This is known as xerophobia. Fact number 5. Humans can't walk in a straight line without a visual references. When blindfolded, we gradually walk in a circle. Fact number 6. 250 dead people are currently frozen, waiting to be revived with our future technology. Fact number 7. If humans killed each other at the same rate that we kill animals, we would be extinct in only 17 days. Fact number 8. Women get drunk quicker than men when they drink the same amount of alcohol because they have less water in their bodies, increase their blood alcohol concentration. So, finally we are going to discuss some game facts for our gamers. Fact number 1. GTA 5 costs $265 million to produce, making it the most expensive video game all time. It brought in $1 million just in 72 hours after it was released, becoming the only entertainment product to make that much that quickly. Fact number 2. A small group of developers behind the Medal of Honor left the project after EA Games wanted to increase their control. These developers created a new game that's called the famous Call of Duty. Fact number 3. At the height of Pokemon Go, several players tried sneaking into a highly classified military explosive plant in Virginia. A Charizard was reportedly located inside the arsenal. Let me know that your questions are down in the comments box below. I'll be sure to answer as many of those I can. Thank you for watching the entire video. I'll see you guys on our next episode. Bye bye.